Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so you're welcome once again. If you're new to this channel, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your Piman, how to make it stronger, how to just make it as you want, okay? But this home remedy is not to increase the size, okay? Okay, so it's actually very important we talk about this, but as much as we talk about it, we should use our senses and understand that children also would be watching the video. So you should leave your comment down below using coded language, okay? All right, so this is just for you to apply and for you to drink, okay? It's going to help you a whole lot. I'm going to be telling you more of it in the video. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Don't forget to turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. So for all of the strengths you need and the hardness you need, we are gonna be making use of this wonderful great ingredients, which is aloe vera. Aloe vera is vast, it's great for so many things, and this is what we're going to be using, and I'm going to show you a very great way to use that, okay? And also we're going to be using carrots. Now you can either use carrot juice or this is carrot oil. This is carrot itself, which I'm going to be extracting the juice. So any of this you have, make use of it. It's going to be perfect. And then we're going to be needing coconut oil. It has to be organic, guys, okay? Don't use anything other than organic coconut oil. This is going to be what you need, okay? So to prepare this aloe vera, you're going to be cutting it, and then you're going to be preparing this, okay? So we're going to be extracting the juice of the aloe vera, not cucumber. So I'm going to be alright, so we're going to be needing a blender, and then I'm going to be blending this aloe vera, guys. So here's the blended aloe vera, and now I'm going to transfer that into the bowl. So for the carrots, I'm going to be getting the carrot juice, so I'm going to be cutting the carrots. And I'm going to be blending the carrots. So because carrot does not have much water, so we're going to be putting just a little bit of water to blend the carrots, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is to sieve it out, okay? I'm just gonna be needing just the juice of this carrots. Okay, So now we're gonna press that to get the juice. The juice of the carrots, the carrot juice. Okay, so after that is done, we're gonna bring back the aloe vera and turn in the carrot juice into the aloe vera, and now we're gonna stir. Okay. So for the coconut oil, we're gonna pour in some few drops of coconut oil. Now you're just going to stir this all up. Now this, you can actually take it orally, okay, although the aloe vera is going to be a little bit bitter, but yes, you can take it orally. Little out from here, okay, you divide it, consume a little, which is this, then you're going to be using a little, and I'm going to be demonstrating that with the cucumber. Okay, so you're going to grab this and then you're going to apply that onto your Piman, guys. Okay, so I'm actually using the top of the brush so you don't interpret this video. Okay, it's just to help you to get rid of lower counts. Okay, and then you apply this, and then it's just going to help you for easy penetrate, and also it's going to harden and make your Piman strong. Okay, so that's how you're going to rub that through, and after you've actually rubbed that through, then you can leave it on for some minutes, okay, for like 3 to 4 minutes, and after that you can actually apply it again. Okay, and after that is done, you can rinse it off. Okay, so when you rinse it off, all right, let me go rinse this off and I'll be right back to show you what I mean. So when you rinse it off, you can see that the cucumber is actually still looking very shiny, so this will aid for your easy penetrate. Okay, and it's also going to help you become really hard and strong. Okay, alright guys, so if you're actually taking this, you can actually take this like 2 times in a week. Okay, and it's going to help you for your lower counts. Okay, if you do understand what I mean. So that's basically what you need, guys. That's it, guys. Drinking that and applying that will help you. Well, these things are natural, so you don't have anything to lose anyways, and it might not work for everybody. Okay, so know it that if it doesn't work for you, maybe it doesn't actually go well with your own particular system or body. Okay, so you try something else, because I'm going to be uploading more things to that, and of course the next one might work for you. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video, share the video, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.